So you might be on iOS 26.6 and your iPhone might be overheating, and you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix this. Number one, the first thing to understand is that when you're upgrading your iPhone, when you go through an upgrade from one device software to another, there's going to be a period of time where your iPhone might overheat. So give it a little bit of time, even like indexing your device and doing all those things, it can definitely take a little bit of time. So go through, try adjusting it, try making sure that there's not any big issues there. And that in and of itself is going to be one of the big problems there for the most part. And hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. Now, another thing, you can try going through and try removing any cases or anything like that you have on your phone as well. So try going through, try removing any of those cases, any of those things that kind of happened there, because that can also kind of end up causing some issues there too. And just by doing that, that can also kind of help cool it down. Now, you can also try seeing which applications take up the most amount of battery and which ones overheat your device in general. So you can make your way over to your iPhone settings like this, scroll down to your battery settings right over here, and just go through and just make sure and just view which applications are taking up the most amount of battery. Sometimes whichever ones are taking up the most amount of battery can also overheat your phone for the most part as well. So that's also another thing to keep in mind here as well. And if that's still not working, you can try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up in the side button, slide the power off, give it a few seconds, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.